WWDC just unleashed a game changer. Apple Intelligence is bringing Genmojis, on-device AI magic, and so much more. Stay tuned to see why this is Apple's smartest move yet. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech obsession hub. Let's jump into the WWDC 2025 Apple Intelligence highlights. Apple Intelligence is the star of WWDC 2025, and it's getting a massive upgrade. Apple's in-house AI suite is now smarter, faster, and works directly on your iPhone or Mac. No internet needed. With on-device processing, your apps are about to feel like they're reading your mind. Say hello to Genmojis. Apple Intelligence now lets you create custom emojis by mixing existing ones with the help of ChatGPT. Want a dancing taco or a surfing alien? Just describe it, and boom, your emoji's ready. Customize expressions and backgrounds to make your text pop like never before. Apple Intelligence is making your iPhone camera a genius. Point it at an event poster and it'll pull details to craft a calendar invite in seconds. Visual Intelligence is getting a major boost, letting you interact with content smarter and faster. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Big news for devs. Apple's opening up Apple Intelligence. On-device foundation models mean you can build AI-powered apps without an internet connection. Plus, by the end of 2025, Apple Intelligence will support 8 new languages, including Danish, Dutch, and traditional Chinese, making it a global powerhouse. While we're still waiting for that souped-up Siri, with better contextual awareness, Apple Intelligence is already transforming how we use our devices. From Genmojis to smarter cameras, WWDC 2025 is proof Apple's AI game is on fire. Which Apple Intelligence feature are you most hyped for? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for the latest tech drops.